Antarctica. It's a continent unlike any other. It's a land of extremes. Covered in ice and snow, it's the coldest place on Earth. Winds howl across the vast landscape. The sun dips below the horizon for months, plunging the continent into darkness. Yet, life finds a way. Antarctica is a place of wonder. It's a place of beauty. Towering glaciers rise from the frozen ocean. Penguins waddle across the ice. Seals bask in the sun. Antarctica is a reminder of the power of nature. It's a reminder of the fragility of our planet. We are drawn to Antarctica. We are drawn to its mystery. We are drawn to its beauty. We are drawn to its challenges. Antarctica is a frontier. It's a place where we can explore the unknown. It's a place where we can test our limits. Antarctica is a place of peace. It's a place of cooperation. Scientists from around the world work together in Antarctica. They study the climate, they study the wildlife, they study the history of our planet. Antarctica is a reminder that we are all connected. Antarctica is a continent of ice. Over 98% of its surface is covered in ice. The ice sheet is up to 4 kilometers thick in places. That's taller than many mountains. Underneath the ice lies a hidden world. There are mountains and valleys, there are lakes and rivers. We can learn a lot from studying this hidden world. Antarctica is divided into 2 main regions. East Antarctica is larger and colder. West Antarctica is smaller and warmer. The Transantarctic Mountains separate the 2 regions. These mountains are some of the oldest on Earth. Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. This ocean is home to a variety of marine life. The ocean plays a vital role in the global climate system. It helps to regulate the Earth's temperature. It also helps to distribute heat around the planet. Antarctica is a land of extremes. It's the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. Temperatures can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. Winds can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. Antarctica is a challenging place to live and work. Antarctica may seem like a barren wasteland, but it's teeming with life. Many creatures thrive in this extreme environment. Penguins are perhaps the most iconic animals of Antarctica. These flightless birds are excellent swimmers. Seals are another common sight, spending most of their time in the water. Whales migrate to feed on krill. Seabirds also flock to Antarctica to breed. Antarctica was a mystery for centuries. Ancient Greeks theorized about a southern continent. But it wasn't until the early 19th century that explorers finally set foot on this frozen land. Their expeditions marked the beginning of our fascination with Antarctica. In 1820, Russian explorer Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen became the first person to sight the Antarctic mainland. His expedition circumnavigated the continent, proving its existence. It was a major geographical discovery. In the early 20th century, explorers raced to be the first to reach the South Pole. Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen won the race in 1911. He and his team faced treacherous conditions. They battled extreme cold, howling winds and blinding snowstorms. Their journey was a testament to human endurance. British explorer Robert Falcon Scott reached the South Pole just weeks after Amundsen. Tragically, Scott and his team perished on their return journey. Their story is a reminder of the dangers of exploration. These early expeditions captured the world's imagination. They revealed the beauty and the brutality of Antarctica. They also laid the groundwork for future scientific exploration. Today, Antarctica is a hub for scientific research. Scientists from around the world come to study this unique environment. They study the climate, the geology, and the wildlife. Their work helps us to understand our planet and its history. Climate change is a major focus of research in Antarctica. The continent is particularly vulnerable to the effects of global warming. The ice sheets are melting at an alarming rate. This is contributing to rising sea levels. Scientists are studying these changes to better understand the future of our planet. Antarctica is also a great place to study astronomy. The dry, clear air provides excellent visibility. Scientists have built telescopes in Antarctica to study the stars and galaxies. They can observe the universe without the interference of light pollution. Geologists study the rocks and ice of Antarctica to learn about the Earth's history. They have found evidence of ancient climates. They have also found fossils of dinosaurs and other extinct creatures. These discoveries help us to piece together the story of our planet. Biologists study the unique wildlife of Antarctica. They are interested in how these creatures survive in such an extreme environment. They are also studying the impacts of climate change on these fragile ecosystems. Antarctica may seem like a remote and isolated continent, but it plays a vital role in the global climate system. The ice sheet reflects sunlight back into space, helping to cool the planet. The Southern Ocean absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate the Earth's temperature. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a major concern. The ice sheet contains enough water to raise global sea levels by over 60 meters. This would have devastating consequences for coastal communities around the world. It's crucial that we take action to address climate change and protect this vital part of our planet. Antarctica is a global commons. It belongs to all of us. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, ensures that Antarctica is used for peaceful purposes only. It also promotes international scientific cooperation. The treaty is a model for international cooperation. The future of Antarctica is uncertain. Climate change is the biggest threat, but other human activities, such as fishing and tourism, are also putting pressure on this fragile environment. It's important that we continue to study Antarctica and work together to protect it for future generations. Antarctica is a land of wonder. It's a land of beauty and extremes. It's a land of importance. Antarctica reminds us of nature's power and our planet's fragility. We are all connected. The future of Antarctica is in our hands. We must protect it for future generations. Antarctica is a symbol of hope, a place where nations unite for a common goal. We must protect its future.